In this lesson, we will use a unit circle to determine the 6 trigonometric function values for theta equals 3 pi divided by 2 radians. We begin by sketching the angle in standard position. The initial side is along the positive x-axis. Because the angle is positive, we rotate counterclockwise 3 pi divided by 2 radians, or 3/2 pi radians. Let's go ahead and rotate by 1/2 pi radians. We have 1/2 pi radians, 2/2 pi radians, and finally 3/2 pi radians. This is a terminal side for 3 pi divided by 2 radians, which we can see is also equal to 270 degrees. Notice the terminal side intersects a unit circle at the point 0, -1, which we use to determine the trigonometric function values. Notice x equals 0 and y equals 1. On the unit circle, cosine theta equals x and sine theta equals y, which indicates cosine of 3 pi divided by 2 equals 0, and sine 3 pi divided by 2 equals 1. The secant function value equals a reciprocal of the cosine function value, or 1 divided by x. Notice 1 divided by x gives us 1 divided by 0, and division by 0 is undefined, which indicates secant 3 pi divided by 2 is undefined. However, in our homework system, we enter D and E, for it does not exist. Next, the cosecant function value equals a reciprocal of the sine function value, or 1 divided by y. Notice 1 divided by y is 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. And 1 is a reciprocal of 1. Next, tangent theta equals y divided by x. Notice y divided by x is 1 divided by 0. Once again, we have division by 0, which indicates tangent 3 pi divided by 2 is undefined. And again, we enter D and E in our homework system. And finally, the cotangent function value equals a reciprocal of the tangent function value, or x divided by y. X divided by y is 0 divided by 1, which equals 0. Cotangent 3 pi divided by 2 equals 0. I hope you found this helpful.